Good morning. Excuse me, could you please help me? Today is my first day at this college, and I'm feeling a little nervous because everything here is new to me. I don't know where my classroom is, and I'm worried that I might be late for my first class.
Good morning. Of course, I'll help you. Don't worry, because almost every student feels nervous on the first day of college. My name is Emma, and I'm also a first-year student, so we can find the classroom together.
Thank you so much, Emma. My name is Daniel. I was afraid that I wouldn't know anyone here, but after talking to you, I already feel much more relaxed and confident.
You're very welcome, Daniel, I'm sure. You're going to enjoy college life, make lots of new friends, and create wonderful memories. Come on, let's walk. Let's walk to the classroom together before the professor arrives and our first lecture begins.
Wow, this campus is much bigger than I imagined. There are so many buildings, classrooms, and students walking around that I'm already afraid I'll get lost before the day is even over. Do you think it takes a long time to get used to everything here?
At first, it feels a little confusing, but after a few days, you'll know every corner of the campus without even thinking about it. Besides, there are helpful teachers, friendly students, and campus maps everywhere, so you never have to worry about being lost for too long.
That's really good to hear. I was also wondering if the professors here are friendly, because I've heard that college classes are very different from school, and I don't want to make a bad first impression on my very first day.
Don't worry at all. Most professors are kind, patient, and always ready to help. Students who are willing to learn, just be confident, attend your classes regularly, ask questions whenever you're confused, and I'm sure you'll have a wonderful experience here.
I think this is our classroom. There are already so many students inside, and everyone seems excited for the first day. To be honest, I'm still a little nervous, but I'm also looking forward to meeting new classmates and learning something new today.
Yes, this is the right classroom. Don't worry, Daniel. Let's go inside, choose our seats before the room gets full, and introduce ourselves to the students sitting nearby. The sooner we start talking to people, the easier it will be to make new friends.
That's a good idea. I think sitting somewhere in the middle would be perfect, because we'll be able to see the board clearly and also talk to the students around us during breaks. Hopefully, we'll find some classmates with similar interests. Hi. Is anyone sitting here? I'm also new to this college, and I don't know anyone yet. If you don't mind, I'd love to sit with you both, because it's always easier to start the first day when you're surrounded by friendly people.
No, the seat is completely free. Please have a seat. We all met just a little while ago, and we were talking about how nervous we felt before coming to college. You're more than welcome to join us, because we're all new students here.
That's right. We were introducing ourselves and sharing our dreams for the future. Since we're going to spend the next few years in the same college, I think it's a great idea to become friends. from the very first day instead of sitting quietly by ourselves.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness. My name is Alex, and I have a feeling that meeting all of you today is going to make my first day of college much more enjoyable. I hope we'll study together, help each other, and create some amazing memories. It's nice to meet you, Alex. Since we're all sitting together now, why don't we tell each other a little about ourselves? We have the next few minutes before the professor arrives, so this is the perfect time.
That's a great idea. Well, I'm from a small town, and this is my first time living away from my family. I was nervous this morning, but after meeting you guys, I already feel much more comfortable. I think college life is going to be an exciting new adventure.
I completely understand how you feel, because I was thinking exactly the same thing when I entered the campus today. I was worried that I wouldn't make any friends. But now it feels like everything is falling into place, and I'm really happy we all ended up sitting together.
I have a feeling this is just the beginning of a wonderful friendship. Let's promise that we'll help each other with assignments, prepare for exams together, and enjoy every moment of our college life while creating memories that we'll never forget.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your very first class, and congratulations on beginning an exciting new chapter of your lives. I hope all of you are feeling excited, even if you're a little nervous, because today is the first step toward achieving your dreams and building a successful future.
Before we begin today's lesson, I'd like to know each one of you a little better. Please introduce yourselves one by one. Tell us your name, the course you're studying, and one dream or a goal that you hope to achieve during your time at this.
Good morning, Professor. My name is Daniel, and I'm a first-year computer science student. I've always been interested in technology, and my dream is to become a software engineer who creates useful applications that make people's lives easier. I'm looking forward to learning new.
Thank you, Daniel, for your wonderful introduction. I really appreciate your confidence and your clear goal of becoming a software engineer. Always remember that success doesn't come overnight. It comes from attending classes regularly, practicing every day, asking questions without hesitation, and never giving up when things become difficult. Now, let's hear from the next student. Please stand up, introduce yourself to the class, tell us your name, the course you've chosen, and share one dream that motivates you to work hard every single day. Don't be nervous, because we're all here to learn and support one another.
Good morning, Professor, and good morning, everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm your first-year business administration student. My dream is to become a successful entrepreneur and build a company that creates opportunities for others. I hope to learn leadership, communication, and teamwork during my college journey.
Thank you, Emma. That was an excellent introduction, and I truly admire your ambition. Leadership begins with confidence, discipline, and respect for others. If you stay focused on your goals and continue learning every day, I'm sure you'll achieve everything you've dreamed of in the future. Let's begin today's class. Open your books today. We are going to study first chapter.